Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to delete your all searches on phone. Guys, I'm going to show you my Android phone or whatever you search on your Chrome browser or any other browser. You can delete it, clear it. I'm going to show you two type of history. First history which save on your browser and another history which save on your account, Google account. So how you can find out your Google account history or browser history, how you can remove it, how you can clear it, I will show on this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start. So guys, here on my phone, and I'm going to show you how you can delete your all searches on phone. So first, let me open the Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser, and as I told you, there is a two type of search history save on your phone. First in your browser, second in your account. So first I'm going to show you on phone here. So let you have to click on this three dot option and try to find out history. Click on history, and here you can see your all history. Now go to the clear browsing data, and here you can see two type, basic and advanced. In basic you will see only three options you can clear, which is browsing history, cookies and data site, and caches, images and file. But in advanced you will see more option, which is auto file, data, site setting, and save password. So if you want to delete everything, you can go to the advanced, and here you have to select the time range. So here you can select time range. If you want to delete only past last 1 hour's history, you can select last 1 hours and you can clear it. Or if you want to select 24 hours, there is a five option. If you want to select everything, select everything and just clear data. Same process you have to follow on this basic option. Just select time range from here and just clear data. So that is for about your Chrome browsing history. So now I'm going to show you on your account. So whatever your primary account, let, okay, this is my Gmail account, and this history will depend on your every account, because every account has different will save, every account has saved different history. So you have to check by going every account. So I'm going to show you this account. So log in with this account and whatever account you want, and come to the search bar and type my activities, and this link will be open, my activities. Just click on it, then your this account, you can switch account from here also. Okay, just click on it and just switch your account. Now you can see there is a three type option, three type of activities or history, you can say: web and app activities, location histories, and YouTube search. Okay, so you can just scroll down and you can see all history one by one. You can delete one by one if you want. Just click on this into button and it will be delete. So if you want to delete everything, go to the three line option and go to the delete activities by, and here you can select time range, you can select all time, and just select services and delete. Okay, click on next, then it will be delete. So it will be delete from your account also. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.